Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to turn off safe mode on any Android device. So to do that, all you have to do is to tap and hold your power on off button to show these choices. As for me, it only shows silent mode, reboot or restart mode, or power off and aeroplane. So what I'm going to do is to just turn off my phone to turn off the safe mode. I won't suggest to reboot or restart your phone because it will probably turn on but still on the safe mode. So the best way to turn off the safe mode is to just turn off your phone and then turn it on. So that's how easy you can turn off safe mode on any Android device. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.